Hello, dear friends, how are you? Today we are going to start the new lesson, that is decimal fractions. What is mean by decimal fractions? See the definition. A fraction whose denominators is 10, 100 or 1000 or any other 10 times multiples of 10 is called a decimal fraction. 10 times multiples of 10 means what? Which numbers? 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, etc. So these are all are called decimal fractions. For example, 5 upon 10, 68 upon 100, 285 upon 100, or you can take many examples, 8 upon 1000 or 295 upon 10,000 and so on. So these all are called decimal fractions. I think so it is clear to you what is the definition of decimal fraction. Means you want the denominator only multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 means it is clear to you, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and so on. Now how to convert the decimal fractions in decimal form? So let's see problem set 36. Write the following mixed fractions in decimal form and read them aloud. Look at the first problem. 3 and 9 upon 10. How to read? 3 and 9 upon 10. Let's see here. Problem set 36. 3 and 9 upon 10. Now see here, downside 1 0. It means point will come after one digit. So these 3 first you write, that is the whole number. Then write down the numerator, that is 9, and as here single 0 is present, so point will come after one digit from this side. So 3.9. How to read? 3.9. Let's see the second example. 1 and 4 upon 10. How to read? 1 and 4 upon 10. Here also the denominator is 10, means single 0 is present. So point come after single digit from this side. So how it will come? Write down this 1 first, then write down this 4, then think after how many digits to give point? 1 digit, because 1 0 is present here. So after 4 the point will come here. And how to read? 1.4. Like this. Let's see the next examples. See third example, 5 and 3 upon 10. How to read? 5 and 3 upon 10. Here also 10 means single 0 is present after 1. So point will come after single digit from this side. So write down this 5, write down the numerator 3, and as 1 0 is present, give the point after one digit. And how to read? 5.3. See the fourth example. 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10. Here the whole number is not present. When whole number is not present, you can write here 0. 0.8. Single 0 is present, so point will come after single digit, 0.8. The next one, 7 upon 10. Here also whole number is not present, so write down 0.7. Single 0, so point will come after single digit, 0.7. Now let's see problem set 37. Look here, problem set 37. Write the following fractions in decimal form and read them aloud. What is the first problem? 9 and 1 upon 10. 9 and 1 upon 10. Here the whole number is 9. So write down 9. Write down the numerator, that is 1, and as 10 is present here, give point after single digit. And how to read it? 9.1. 9.1. Look at the second example, 9 and 1 upon 100. See here, now the denominator 100 is there. 100 means there are 2 zeros on 1. So the point will come after 2 digits from this side. So write down the whole number, that is 9. Here we have only single digit. But as 2 zeros are present here, we have to give the point after 2 digits. So to complete the second digit, before 1 write here 0 and then you give the point. So how it will convert into decimal form? 9.01. As here only single digit is present, but here single digit is present, but we want to give the point after 2 digits as 2 zeros are here. So 1, 2 and then give point 9.01. How to read? 9.01. Here single digit is present, so we have written here 0 to complete 2 digits. But when here 2 digits are present, that time there is no need to take help of 0. Let's see the next example. 4 and 53 upon 100. 4 and 53 upon 100. So write down the whole number, that is 4. Here 2 zeros are present. Above also 2 digits are there. So point will come after 2 digits. Here 4.53. How to read? 4.53. Don't read 53 because these are the fractions. Read the digits separately. Then next, 78 upon 100. I have told you already, when whole number is not here, you write down 0. Downside 2 zeros. So point will come after 2 digits. Already 2 digits are present. So there is no need to take help of 0. Directly it will come 0.78. 0.78. Got it? See the fifth example, 5 upon 100. Here also 2 zeros. But here we have only single digit. So to complete the 2 places, here we are taking help of 0. So 0.05. Why we have taken here 0? Because here 2 zeros. And where denominator 100 is there, 2 zeros are present on 1. We have to give the point after 2 digits. So 0.05. Then next, 5 upon 10. Here single 0. So point will come after single digit. Already single digit we have here. So 0.5. Next, 2 upon 10. This is also simple. Single 0 is present. Point will come after single digit from this side. So 0.2. 0.2. And the last example from this problem set 37. 20 upon 100. 100. 2 zeros are there. So point will come after 2 digits. Already we have 2 digits here. Whole number is not present. So we are taking here 0. 0.20. How to read? 0.20. Got it? How to convert the decimal fractions into decimal form and how to read them. So in the next video we will see how to write the place value of the decimal fractions. Now you study how to read the decimal fractions and how to convert them into decimal form. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.